Hi, I'm Debbie. I'm an asthma specialist nurse. I'm going to show you how to use a Zonda inhaler. This is a dry powder device, or DPI. Getting your inhaler technique right is very important because it helps you manage symptoms better. It may take a few tries to feel comfortable using your inhaler, but it does get easier with practice. To use your inhaler, first lift up the cover. Check there's nothing inside the mouthpiece. Open the inhaler by lifting up the mouthpiece. Next, take a capsule from the bottle. Only use a capsule if it has been kept inside the bottle with the lid firmly closed. Put the capsule inside the inhaler. It's important to put the capsule into the inner chamber and not into the mouthpiece. Close the mouthpiece until you hear a click. Press and release the side button fully to make a hole in the capsule. Your dose is now ready. Hold the inhaler horizontally, but don't tip it upside down as the powder may fall out. Sit or stand up straight and slightly tilt your chin up as it helps the medicine reach your lungs. The next steps all happen smoothly in one action. Breathe out gently and slowly away from the inhaler until your lungs feel empty and you feel ready to breathe in. Put your lips around the mouthpiece to make a tight seal. Then breathe in quickly and deeply until your lungs feel full. You should be able to hear a vibrating noise. Take the inhaler out of your mouth and hold your breath for up to 10 seconds or for as long as you comfortably can. Then breathe out gently away from the inhaler. To make sure you empty the capsule completely, repeat these steps again. If you can't hear the vibrating noise when you breathe in, the capsule may be stuck in the inner capsule chamber. Open the inhaler by pushing the mouthpiece back and loosen the capsule by gently tapping the base of the inhaler. Close the inhaler and follow the steps again, starting by breathing out slowly and gently. Once you've finished, lift up the mouthpiece and tip out the empty capsule into the bin. Close the mouthpiece and the cap. For more tips on using your inhaler, why not watch our other videos?